Yes, Empire Crypto TV. This is Livingstone, and be sure to subscribe to our shows, Empire Crypto TV. Today we're going to be doing a very simple lesson about a trading strategy known as the Golden Cross, which is a very powerful strategy. So I'm going to do it from scratch, from the basic level, so that people can understand it. So this is my trading view chart. You can also apply it also on your MetaTrader 4, but unfortunately I just use TradingView because TradingView is widely used because it has these versatile and assets within TradingView, and it has a lot of things that you can trade on. So it's a compilation of instruments that you can find and trade on. There are many opportunities more offered on TradingView, hence I use TradingView most of the time. And now we're going to be talking about Golden Cross. First, I want to just show you how to set it up for yourself. Most of the time, the most used Golden Cross time periods are your 50 period and 200 period. So for all beginners, this is how you would set up your Golden Cross in the first place. So here you have TradingView, you go to your indicators and you are using simple moving average. So you would just simply go to technicals if it's on my script, then you just simply type moving average. Make sure you take this one, very basic. So with the moving average, it's gonna be labeled right there, okay? And there is it, but it's dark and it's blue, you can't see it. So be sure that you also use your settings, okay? Also be sure that you are able to use a trading view because it can be very tricky if you are a beginner. All right, now this is MA, and then you go to inputs, then on my inputs, and then I want 50 period. So you go to length, and then you can place 50 period. That's the first moving average period that I would like to place with the color blue, of course. And then you come here, okay, but I want to make it thick at the same time. That line is a bit too thin. I just want to make it more thick, yes. And then, yeah, I can just let it go just like that, and then say, okay, so this is my 50 period. It's going to also state for you also here. Then, once again, you go to your indicators, place another moving average, but now with a different time period. Go to technicals, same thing. So with the different moving average, once again, take the very top one. But now this one we have to set it up with different styles. Okay, I don't know why. It just picked up 3 more moving averages. I just need just 2. Go to your settings. After go to your settings, and then you apply once again the same way I did, but this time with a different color because I want to be able to identify it. It must be different with a different color. And then the inputs, I want to put, instead of 50 like before, I want to put 200. So that you can be able to identify these crossovers. The faster moving average is the 50 period. This one is the slower moving average. And once again, I want to make sure that I have to make it a bit thicker. Okay, the color, I don't like that color. Okay, it's a bit white, and then I just want to change it maybe to yellow rather, and make the line a bit more thick. And that's it. And then say click it away. There we go. So this is how you would plot it, okay, to set up for the Golden Cross. Now the Golden Cross part comes in when you have to anticipate the crossovers between the faster moving average and the slower moving average. The slower moving average is the yellow one, which is the 200 period. Then the faster moving average is the 50 period one. Okay, so when the faster moving average, which is the 50 period, is above the slower moving average, which is the yellow one, which is the 200 period, which is the slower moving average, it's a strong uptrend. It shows that there's an uptrend. Okay, this is an uptrend, and most of the time golden crosses for for simple moving average and 50 period and 200 period are used for long-term trades. On the stock market, on the stock market, cryptocurrency market, and on Forex as well, if there is a strong uptrend that is about to occur, a golden cross is likely to happen. When it happens in that period, this gives a very strong signal that there will be a strong uptrend or a downtrend. Okay, now presently at this point in time, we can see this is the Australian dollar versus the CAD. Now you can see now the slower moving average is coming underneath, and the faster moving average, which is the blue one, is coming above. This could be a strong signal that there could be a strong bullish trend that is about to occur, both with the pairs currently. But you must also be rest assured when you are using these fast moving averages and slower moving averages, or the golden cross, be sure that the candlesticks must be above. If it's an uptrend, make sure that it comes above the candlestick. The candlesticks, make sure that they come above the moving average. So also for the downtrend as well, make sure that the candlestick come beneath the moving average, so that you can be rest assured. Because if they do not have that level of going above the moving average, if the candlesticks are not above the moving average, this is the situation that I'm talking about. You must be sure that they go over and above the moving average, so that you can have a showcase. This is an authentic a golden cross. Golden cross implies on this section here, okay, once these lines cross, the faster moving average and the slower moving average, once they cross at some point, it's a strong signal that there will be an uptrend or a downtrend. Like here in this case, this was a strong signal. This was going to be an uptrend. Imagine if the market was still at this point here, and the faster moving average being above and the slower moving average being below. This gap here would have told you, okay, this is the beginning of a strong uptrend, and it went on and on and on. This helps you to reap profits on long-term basis. Most of the time, these strategies are used for swing traders, people who trade on daily charts. But this is a 15-minute chart, but for an example. And here in this case, presently, we can see that the slower moving average is lacking beneath, and now the candlesticks are also above the moving average. This is a strong signal that there would be another bullish trend that is about to occur. Now, that's just the basics of using the golden cross as your strategy for beginners. Okay, this is Empire Crypto TV. Thank you very much for joining me. Until next time.